Anping Qiangguan Ironware Wire Mesh Company Limited is located in Anping, the famous hometown of wire mesh in China. It was founded in 2008 and covers an area of 15,000 square meters, which is an enterprise integration design, is developing, manufacturing, and selling. Our company specializes in the production of gabion, barbed wire, razor barbed wire, welded wire mesh, chicken wire mesh, field fence, chain link fence, window screen, defensive barriers, galvanized wire and iron nails, etc. In addition, we also obtained ISO 9001-2008, SGS, BV, and other certificates. The products have reached the advanced level in the industry and are exposed to Korea, Japan, Canada, and America. Therefore, we have obtained a good quality leading position. Our principle is taking users as the foundation, taking the high quality as the foundation, taking the user's satisfaction as the target. We won the trust of customers with favorable prices, advanced equipment, and perfected after-sales services. No matter small order or big order, every step we have professional staff work it to keep and control the best quality. And we also support ODM and OEM. We hope to wholeheartedly cooperate and communicate with the old and new customers. Our General Manager, Zhang Meng, with all workers, sincerely welcome you to negotiate business with us.